The number of COVID-19 infections in India has surpassed 5 million, the second highest in the world after the United States. Nearly 1,300 people have died in the country and more than 90,000 have contracted the virus in the last 24 hours. Globally, the virus has claimed over 933,000 lives while infecting close to 29.5 million. Details in this report.
COVID-19 pandemic is devastating healthcare systems as governments scramble to contain the virus. Germany says the coronavirus spike in a Bavarian holiday resort may be lower than feared as they investigate a rise in infections. Local authorities have tracked down more than 30 people they suspect may have been infected from the same source. Meanwhile, Britain's government says it is working hard to fix operational challenges in the testing system caused by a surge in demand.
As we expand capacity further, we're working round the clock to make sure everyone who needs a test can get a test. The vast majority of people who use our testing service get a test that is close to home, and the average distance travelled to a test site is now just 5.8 miles, down from 6.4 miles last week. But the whole House knows that there are operational challenges, and we're working hard to fix them.
The UN says it can hold an in-person meeting of the General Assembly in New York as early as November to discuss the COVID-19 pandemic. World Health Organization says countries should not put children out of school anymore as it is more detrimental for them. It said the decision to close schools should be a last resort, temporary, and only at a local level in areas with intense COVID-19 transmission.
To support countries in every situation, UNESCO, UNICEF and WHO yesterday published updated guidance on school-related public health measures in the context of COVID-19. The guidance provides practical advice for schools in areas with no cases, sporadic cases, clusters of cases, or community transmission.
Australia's Victoria state is on course to relax a strict lockdown by the end of the month after average number of cases over the last 2 weeks dropped below 50. South Korea's new virus cases also stayed below 200 for the 14th consecutive day. China reported 12 new confirmed infections of COVID-19 across the mainland, all of which were imported.